Hello, my name is Nate Bickford. I'm a professor here at American Public University, and today I'm going to introduce EVSP504, which is Fisheries Management. Fisheries Management is absolutely amazing. It's an amazing class, and Fisheries Management covers such a broad set of management tools, techniques, and skills, right? So it's everything from freshwater to marine, it's commercial fishing, it's recreational fishing, subsistence. I mean, it just runs the whole gambit. And it's super exciting and a very, very interesting subject. So let's talk a little bit more about it. So it's not, fisheries management. We're not talking about fish in a boardroom, right? We're talking about fishes in the sea, if you will, or the freshwater lake, river, whatever. And really, fisheries management is about managing populations, the different dynamics, so age classes and size and age and those kind of things. So we're really managing the populations of fish. And the reason why this is important is because there's a lot of people that get their primary protein from fish. And so fisheries management is very, very important just for food security, but also economic security. There's a lot of money that comes from fish, whether that's recreational or commercial fishing. So both of them bring lots of different money to different locations. So fisheries management is really important because we need sustainable fisheries from now until ever, right? And so I wouldn't say that we've always been great at fisheries management, but we're definitely getting better. And we have some very, very sustainable populations of fish in the world that has been driven by fisheries management, people understanding how to manage fish correctly. And this class will talk to you about a lot of that. And there are some course outcomes, and basically we're going to be teaching you the foundational information that you're going to need to know to manage fish. And part of that is the ecological components, different methods, how do you assess fish, quantitative analysis, how do you analyze populations once you have them, if you have 1,000 eggs, how many will survive until you get to a reproducing adult. So there's a lot of modeling of that kind of data. You got to look at regulations, policies, issues, those kind of things. So there's a lot of outcomes. Is a really full class, very important. And you'll learn a lot of different things. Ecological concepts to go into management, quantitative methods, habitat assessment, fish assessment, bunches and bunches of different methods and techniques that you're going to need to be successful. And it's a really exciting course because of that. It's pretty much nonstop. And I think it's definitely one of my favorite to teach. So I think you guys will really enjoy it. So there are no prereqs. It would really, really help to have some basic knowledge of ecology. I think that's pretty much true for a lot of these wildlife type classes and fish classes. That basic understanding of ecology will help that, it's the table that you build the rest of your structure on. But we'll talk about all the pieces that you'll need throughout the class. And then if you haven't had any of these other classes like restoration or wildlife management or conservation, you'll have those, or you may take these a little bit out of order. So, but these are some other classes that are in the in this area, and so this would probably be something that you'll be in either after this class or just before it. And I think they all build on each other, so it'd be great for you. Well, thanks for listening to this short introduction. I hope you enjoy the class, and I look forward to teaching you in this class or some other class. Have a good one.